Hello everyone, welcome to TechwondersDevops. Learn DevOps, do wonders. Today I am going to explain how to install Eclipse IDE. So Eclipse IDE we are going to use to create a Java applications or PHP application, other applications by using the Java code and other programming languages. Okay, to download the Java, to download the Eclipse IDE, we have to go for the Google and search Eclipse. So it will ask for the Eclipse org. You can search for Eclipse. So this is the Eclipse website. You can click on the Eclipse community. Click on download. Here you can see download, install your favorite desktop IDE packages. Click on download and choose what you want, Arch or 86 64-bit. So you click on this and download it. If you have downloaded installed Java already in your system, that is fine. If you have not installed Java, that is also fine. It's going to install along with the Java framework. So click on download. It will download. It will take time. So mainly Eclipse we are going to use for the packaging the application, packaging the complete language packs like which we are going to use in the Java or PHP or .NET, whatever the programming language we are going to use. By using the Eclipse, we can easily create a applications or we can write the programming easily. It will automatically generate the coding templates and syntaxes. Okay, it's downloaded now. Click on this. Click on this and it will install it once we click on the download. So here you can select Eclipse. What is the use of Eclipse? Like Eclipse IDE for Java developers, C++ developers, embedded, PHP, like that. You can choose whatever you want. So Eclipse IDE for developers, I'm going to select. Click on this. See here Java 21 plus virtual machine. It's going to install Java JDK 23. It is already there. That's why in my folder you can see I have already created a I have already installed my Java here, Java path. This is the JDK 23. That's why it is showing program file Java JDK 23. So if you have not installed, it will automatically take it. No need to worry. So it will create a start menu entry and desktop shortcut. Click on install. So you can accept it. It's getting installed now. Yeah, see, the installation is completed. You can click on launch. It will open the Eclipse IDE 2024 12. So that is the latest version. See, select a directory as a workspace. Like workspace is nothing but whenever we are going to create a project, it's going to store in this particular folder. So I'm going to select same launch. I'm use this as a default and do not ask again. Launch it. So it is Eclipse is launching Eclipse IDE. Okay. See now you can see the Eclipse. You can go to file and we have to create a job. Like if you want to create a Java project or my own project based upon our requirement, you can click on the projects. That is how we can install a Eclipse IDE. Thank you. Thanks for watching.